Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to test this remote of this Bluetooth selfie stick. This is actually selfie stick come tripod actually. Actually, you can extend these legs, these three legs, and just keep it as the tripod selfie stick. Okay, this is the extendable rod. Okay, you can place the cell phone here so that you can take the selfies. And now especially I'm talking about this Bluetooth remote. Actually, you can just slide up to open this. I'll just completely open this. Okay, the first thing you need to do is connect this Bluetooth selfie stick remote with the phone Bluetooth. Just try to turn on the Bluetooth on the mobile device. Okay, just turn it on, and on this button given, give a long press until you see the blue light blinking. Okay, so when the blue light blinks, this means the selfie cam name will appear here. Just you need to tap on that and this gets paired. Okay, after pairing I'll show you. Okay, even at a distance you can just, first of all, let me turn on this Bluetooth. This is the button. Okay, see here, when I continuously press this gets turned up. And now see here, within the distance also I can take the pictures here. And today I want to test this by offing the camera here. When the camera is not in use, what does this button do? So when camera is not active on your mobile, when you press this is just increasing the volume. So in case when you are listening to music, if you want to increase the phone volume without this button, means the manual increasing button, this you can use as the, let me decrease the volume, then I can show you. Okay, I decrease the phone volume, see here. So yeah, maybe this may differ from phone to phone, I'm not sure. This is on the Realme mobile. This is my Realme mobile, and this is the tygot T1 selfie Bluetooth stick, which is under 300 rupees. Yeah, maybe I can tag these products in the tag products list. You can check for the more details. And if you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.